If you've ever decided to start eating healthy because you want to lose weight naturally, or you want a better body shape, maybe you want to wake up feeling refreshed, stop feeling tired after meals, have energy for work and family, or maybe you're a senior and you want lower risk of diabetes, better heart health, stronger body, longevity, but one guru on the internet tells you carbs are the enemy. Another says take meat out. A third insists you need a $100 powder made from berries harvested on a distant mountain just to function. It's exhausting, it's confusing, and honestly, it's why most people give up before they even start. Let me tell you the honest truth today. Healthy eating isn't about strict rules, expensive superfoods, or choking down plain chicken breast and sad salads for the rest of your life. It's about building simple, realistic eating habits that give you more energy, make you feel good in your body, and actually taste great. So, take a deep breath. Clear your mind of everything you've been told about crazy diets. Over the next few minutes, I will break down a simple, stress-free roadmap to healthy eating for real life. First things first, we need to destroy the biggest myth in nutrition, the all-or-nothing mindset. You know how it goes. You eat a clean breakfast, a healthy lunch, and then someone brings donuts to the office. You eat one. Suddenly, a voice in your head goes, "Well, today is ruined. Might as well order takeout tonight and start fresh on Monday." Sound familiar? Here's a secret. One meal does not make you healthy, and one meal does not ruin your health. Nutrition isn't a test you pass or fail. Instead of aiming for perfection, aim for addition. Beginners often focus on what they need to cut out. No sugar, no bread, no joy. Flip that script. Ask yourself, what can I add to make this meal better? Eating a bowl of ramen? Keep the ramen, but throw in a handful of spinach and a boiled egg for protein. Having a sandwich? Add some tomato slices or grab an apple on the side. When you focus on adding nutrient-rich foods, you naturally crowd out the less nutritious stuff without feeling deprived. Okay, let's talk about building actual meals without counting every single calorie or carrying around a food scale. All you need is the balanced plate method. Picture your dinner plate split into 3 simple sections. Half your plate, color. This means veggies or fruit, broccoli, roasted carrots, leafy greens, peppers, whatever you actually enjoy eating. They bring the fiber, vitamins, and volume that keep you full and aid digestion. 1/4 of your plate, lean protein. Protein is your best friend. It keeps your blood sugar stable, helps repair muscle, and stops those 3 p.m. snack cravings. Think eggs, chicken, fish, tofu, beans, or Greek yogurt. 1/4 of your plate, smart carbs. Yes, you can eat carbs. Carbs are energy. Choose things like brown rice, oats, sweet potatoes, whole grain bread, or quinoa. And don't forget healthy fats. A splash of olive oil, a slice of avocado, or a handful of nuts adds flavor and helps your body absorb key vitamins. If your plate generally looks like this, you're 80% of the way there. No apps required. Now, let's make this effortless. Healthy eating fails when it requires massive willpower every single day. The trick isn't having more willpower, it's changing your environment. When you go grocery shopping, stick mostly to the outer perimeter of the store. That's usually where fresh produce, proteins, and dairy live. And here's a golden rule for beginners. Don't force yourself to cook complex 10-ingredient recipes every night. Leverage shortcuts. Buy pre-washed spinach. Grab frozen vegetables. They're just as nutritious as fresh ones and won't go bad in your fridge while you're making up your mind. Buy a pre-cooked rotisserie chicken. When healthy options are easy to grab, you'll actually eat them. Also, watch out for liquid calories. Soft drinks, sweetened coffees, and energy drinks sneak in massive amounts of sugar, without actually filling you up. You don't have to drink plain water all day if you find it boring. Try sparkling water, herbal tea, or adding a squeeze of fresh lemon. Here's something most nutrition guides leave out. Healthy eating doesn't happen in a vacuum. If you're sleeping 4 hours a night and running on pure stress, your body will naturally crave quick, sugary energy. Before you overhaul your entire pantry, make sure you're getting enough rest and drinking water throughout the day. Sometimes, when you think you're starving for a snack, your body is actually just tired or dehydrated. Take care of the basics first. To wrap it all up, healthy eating isn't a 30-day punishment. It's a lifelong relationship with food that should feel good, taste great, and fit your actual lifestyle. Don't try to change everything overnight. Pick one small thing to focus on this week. Maybe it's drinking an extra glass of water each morning. Maybe it's adding a vegetable to your dinner. Once that feels easy, stack another small habit on top of it. Progress over perfection, always. Thanks for listening. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below letting me know what's one small food swap you're making today. See you next time.